Hi viewers, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, today I am going to show you something new. Just one thing I brought for you. Today I will use new software Adobe Photoshop. In Adobe Photoshop, how to create poster design. So let's go to our tutorial. Yes viewers, so now we are on screen. We open Adobe Photoshop. First we have to create artboard. It means I will create new file. First I will take poster size 1300 by 3080 pixels. RGB color I am using because this poster I am using for digital purpose. So that's why I am using RGB color. Just click on create. So here our artboard is created. First I will take a rectangle tool. There I will draw on artboard. Then I will select one amazing color. I take it. I will select text tool and increase layer. This is must. Then I will write something new. This is points where this is a part of poster. If you are creating any poster, so it needs or it takes points. Poster is necessary. Point is necessary for poster. So that's why there I will check it. Now again take its copy. There I will write something different. Something different. Then select both. Then first align it. So there I will use some trick. It is little bit logical. Hope you understand. There I will right click, select pixel, then Control C, copy. This I will uncheck. Then Control D, increase layer. Then come to filter, vanishing point. There I will do this. I will do gradient. I want to do gradient. Just Control V, paste it, and Control T, bring there. There you have to resize carefully. So this is like one like effect. So that's why I am doing. Tell me to resize. Now it's okay. Then come to this one. This text. Same tips you apply here. Select pixel and Control C, uncheck, Control D, come to filter, increase layer, this is must. Then come to filter, tick vanishing point, same thing, just Control V, paste, and Control T. Okay, this. Now it's okay. Then you have to delete these two layers. These are now useless. Control T, resize. You have to resize it. Okay, then bring it down. Then come to layer 2. First you tick this. Come to layer 2. Control T. First bring it down. Okay, then tick it. Now you have to take picture. Of course I am creating poster. Remember this, I am creating poster for clients, for one company. So that's why I am taking pictures like product, you can say. I place here, then little bit resize it. Then you see this tick, this is must, you have to tick it, then drag it there. Okay, so now it's better. Now I need logo. I will use commercial logo, place it, then drag it, come place corner, place on the corner. Okay, then on this layer you have to double click, come to gradient overlay. Our logo color is white. We need this. Sorry, I need little bit. Okay, then again select text tool, type tool, write flash sale. Because this website is providing for the customer, I recommend to everyone who interested to do online shopping, please visit on this website. This website is very useful and helpful for them how to do online shopping. Okay, just click it. Viewers, so I copy this text there. I will write again something new, 40% sale. On this product in this website you have to go, 40% sale is available. Understand? Then select both, align, then control T. You have to resize little bit big. Okay, then select both, copy. There I will write something new. This is new product in this website is available, so here I will write new arrival. These tags are necessary in poster because then our poster show attractive. Then select both, little bit you have to resize it like this. Now better, see, little bit down. Then select all layers, then I want to group all these layers. Just press Ctrl G. These are grouped. So now our poster is ready. Yes viewers, this is my tutorial. Hope you have enjoyed. If you face any difficulty, you can put on your question on comment box. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it and press notification button. Then you will receive my new information about graphic design. If you follow me on my social media account, links are available on description box. So this is for today. See you next time. Bye bye.